So first of all, congratulations to all of you in getting promotion to scale 4 as chief manager. I think you must be knowing promotion to scale 4 has a different aspect also. Because so far you are in middle management, now you are in senior management. 1 and scale 1 is junior management, 2 and 3 is middle management, and now 4 and 5 is senior management. So it's added responsibility, not only one promotion, but that cadre is changed from middle management to senior management. 4 and 5 almost same thing, only thing is that you are getting prepared for more higher roles and more leadership roles from 4 to 5 to take over as top management in 6 and 7. So this very important change, significant change from 3 to 4 is not only one promotion, it's many promotions. As I say, up to GM we get one promotion. From GM to ED is like getting 100 promotions. So this is a very important aspect in your life, that you are getting promoted to senior management. So with that comes added responsibility. So all of us, we have worked as manager, I think, in one area or the other. As I used to tell, manager is a very important function. And as I always quote that when I was officer, I always used to pray that God make me manager. Manager is very important when you become senior manager, chief manager, GM, whatever you become, manager remains with you. So now you are chief manager. Chief means having some element of, becoming more important. Senior is different than chief, means having somebody to work under you and becoming chief of that. So there is a difference between manager and leader. And if you are a manager having leadership element, that is, excellent. I always say one quote from my English days, that we used to hear that some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. Thrust means when you see Rabdi Devi or even Manmohan Singh, so they were made as, some had like chief manager, chief minister, or like prime minister. And some are born great like Rajiv Gandhi or Indira Gandhi. They are born in a great family and automatically they become very big leaders and like that. And some achieve greatness. So I think we are in that category. We have to achieve greatness by our deeds, by our learning, by our work, by becoming a sort of ambassador in the bank. And that is what the category we fall in. So in this category we have to work very hard. So the definition of leader, I was reading that a leader is one who influences the behavior and work of others towards achievement of a specified goal in a given situation. So other day I was reading one example. There was a team who was asked to make a road in a jungle. So the people who were managing, they were doing very well and they were constructing a very good road. And one day one of the laborers climbed a tree and he saw that the point where they have to go by making the road is altogether different direction. So whatever work was done was wasted. So manager is doing the things right, but leader is doing the right things. You understand? You do whatever you do, you have been doing very well as a manager, but now you have to do right things which take us in the right direction. So this is the role. And as I always say, when we are manager or leaders, we are being watched 24 hours. So believe me or not, but you are being watched. Whether you are in closeted cabin, whether you are in house, you are being kept an eye upon. So whatever you do, you should walk the talk, we say ना. So जो हम कहते हैं वो हमें करना चाहिए, अपने लाइफ में पहले अमल करें और फिर उसको हम बात को कहें तो उसका असर अलग होता है. और हम ऐसे ही बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते रहें, किताबों की थ्योरेटिकल बातें करते रहें, that doesn't have that impact on the people who are working with us. So first we have to sacrifice ourselves and become a real leader. so that we can expect from others. And when you are leader or manager, you have to take the work instead of doing the work. And taking the work is working in a team spirit. Getting the work from everybody. Please don't feel that anybody is a non-performer. In my life, at least, I have believed there is nobody who is a non-performer. I used to tell that Rawal Saab was our chairman who has gone from PNB. He was telling other day and every day that this person is non-performer, transferring from Gujarat to Chennai and this and that. And one day I told him, sir, you give me all the non-performers, I can take the work from them. And there is an example at the cost of quoting from my life, I'll quote it. For some time I was posted in head office as a head of inspection department, which is generally the department, at least I never liked that I should work in inspection. To be very frank, I was a practical worker and doing something or taking risk and all those things. That is totally risk-free department. When you are in inspection, there is no risk on you, you are putting risk on others. Correct? So everything you try to investigate and try to find fault. So that around 5-6 months I was there. So I told, sir, you give me all the non-performers, I will take the work from them. And the person working, below me was only AGM. He was cost accountant, he was CS, he was CA, highly qualified, and even, he joined the bank before me in 80. I joined in 81, he joined in 80. So everybody in the bank was telling that this Ghosal is useless, he's not doing anything and all that thing. So when I saw the potential in the person. And I told him, you bring all the problems to me, I'll solve the problems. But you have to work. And don't hesitate, come to me anytime and I'll solve your problems. This is what I do in my life. I say, bring the problems to me and take the answers and you will get satisfied whatever I tell you. And it's not that I'm, something I am making you to do forcefully, but you will readily do that it is the correct thing. And you believe me, the things 58% was the pendency. The pendency go down to below 5% in 5 months. A rare achievement. One day I was, asked by Mr. Rawal Saab that RBI AFI reply was to be sent to RBI. He asked me as a mini management. I always say that don't, again I quote one example, please for heaven's sake, don't try to, micromanagement. You do your work as a leader, as a manager. If you try to do everything yourself, you can't do anything. So Mr. Rawal asked me that whom you are sending to send this reply. I said, Mr. Ghosal, AGM is more than enough for sending a, delivering a cover. He said, no, he's useless. And I said, sir, he's not useless. I have seen he's working very well, and then I quoted 1 or 2 examples. And then he said, Arey, nobody told me that he's such a good and such a responsive person. So then next day in the TMC, he declared, along with other things, that Mr. Ghosal is working well. So the news went to the person. He came to me, sir, you talked about me. So far in my life, nobody has talked like this. So there are 3-4 things from out of this example. One, the person feels elevated that he is being put as a good person, working person. So one of the leadership trait is that give the credit to your people. Your credit is automatically coming to you now when you are achieving the results as a manager. So the whatever praise will come that this branch has done, this department has done the work, the praise will come to you, credit will come to you automatically. Your work should be to give the credit to your people. So that is one example. Second example is, it should be our quality to take work. Instead of cursing the people, what happens in real life, then whatever suppose our boss says that this is not good. So we try to pass on the buck to the juniors. Sir, उसने ठीक नहीं किया. मैं तो बोल रहा था कि ऐसा करो, but वो मेरा आदमी खराब है, वो नॉन परफॉर्मर है, वो कुछ करता नहीं है, मैं क्या करूं? Sometimes suppose boss praises us, सर वो उसने खराब किया था, लेकिन मैं इसको सुधार के ऐसे ठीक कर दिया, तो ये अच्छा बन गया. So you have to decide what way we go. If we praise the people working with us. They can deliver better, they can work more. Everybody wants to be patted for the work he is doing. So please work in a team spirit. Take the people along with you and don't allow anybody not to work. Everybody can work something or the other. Everybody has the potential. After I talk to you, you tell me a single person whom you feel he is a non-performer. Only thing we don't have the capability to identify and find out that this person is capable for this thing or the that thing. So please try to find out the person is having something in him. Other day I quoted one example of a clerk when I was as a branch head. He was discarded that he is a drunkard and nobody will ask him any work. So when I said, yeah, I will not allow him salary like this. So I called the person, I tried to know what is the quality in this person. The people told me that, sir, this person is good in balancing. And in that branch, at least 10-12 years, most of the heads were not balanced. So I just put that person and one of the officer for that work, and I was monitoring, every day or alternative day. And you will not believe, in 25 or 30 days, they balanced almost everything. And in the meanwhile, his father came to me telling that, sir, I am very grateful to you that my son has, stopped drinking. This is a live example. In Jaipur, you can ask anybody. I can tell you the name also. So today that person is officer. He is doing well. I mean, if we don't give the work, what happens? This is the biggest punishment we are giving to the person. Nobody wants not to work. Everybody wants to work. We should recognize it's our capability to find out and give more time. I always say doing work is very easy, but taking work is difficult. As a manager, as a leader, you have to take the work instead of doing the work. I also quote one more example. When I first time after 20 years I went to a branch. 20 years continuously I worked in credit in head office, regional office and elsewhere. I was not allowed to go to a branch. And you know how challenging is it to go to the field after 20 years of working in a regional office and head office. So there I found that once I went there, the people there brought me vouchers like BR1 and 4 and all those things they brought to me. Sir, ये sign करना है. मैं बोला, I will not sign, yaar. I am the chief manager here, and there are 5 officers and around 12-15 clerks. I don't feel that I should sign the vouchers. No, sir. They named 3-4 big managers who were considered in that bank as a big manager. Okay. So, sir, वो sign करते थे ये expenditure का voucher है ये है. मैंने कहा, is it routine or something policy decision? If it is routine, I don't want to sign. If it is a policy decision, bring it to me. Some type of note, I will sign, clear it, keep it with that, and I at least I will not sign voucher in that situation also. Because voucher signing is at the most officer or manager's job, not the chief manager's job. So you believe me, after that nobody came to me, and one day one more incident happened that I took some higher rate for some FD. Why I am quoting? Because practical life is better than quoting from the books. Please excuse me for quoting extensively from my life. So I am quoting because field was not my forte. 20 years I was at regional office, administrative offices, and I went to branch for the first time. So what happened that one day that FDI 2.25% more, and talking to the GM, he permitted me in the evening at 8 o'clock, he says your action is not confirmed. And he goes, sir, I have given the check in clearing, 1 crore check was there, and it is a government organization. I can't call the check back now after having given in the clearing. So next day morning, 10 o'clock, I find a fax on my table that your action is not confirmed. So my officer who was handling clearing comes rushing to my cabin. Sir, ye aa gaya. Maine kaha, don't worry. I make some notice and write that Mr. Sharma, please make the FD. And tell him that keep a copy in your house also. I mean, this example why I have quoted, you should support your staff. जैसे कहते दूसरे के कंधे पे बंदूक नहीं चलाना. हमारा टेंडेंसी क्या होता है, अरे कर देना ना, ठीक है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कर देना. साइन नहीं करते. क्यों नहीं करते हैं? Leadership also includes taking responsibilities, giving credit to your people, taking responsibility. I tell you in that branch at 6 o'clock, the people will tell me, sir, आप जाइए घर पे, हम काम करेंगे. And the results were in less than 2 years, 100% growth. And not in credit, because I work in credit, people will say, Bansal knows credit, therefore he has increased credit. I said, I will not increase credit, I will increase deposit, CASA and other things. So, you can understand by these examples, you can do any wonders if you are above par. I mean, you have to put yourself to test first to achieve that great quality of leadership and get your regard and, stay in the branch. So, what I mean, for all these things, you have to display your life, transparent life, taking the people together, working in the team. They should feel always supportive. Because when the people have some difficulty, you should be a sort of, consolation to them, sort of a true friend also. Because all of us, we have some problem or the other in life. So, taking the work, supporting them, and giving whatever they want in the branch. Suppose some small infrastructure is not there, don't hesitate in, supporting the people. And then for work, please don't allow them to take rest. Continuously watch them, monitor their performance. At least weekly, if you are in branches, weekly you must monitor their performance. That what they have done, talk to them, have a cup of tea. They should feel that you are not alien. You are their own person. I tell you, in that branch, I was the only person out of Rajasthan, in that branch. There was not in Rajasthan, any of the branches, anybody outside from Rajasthan. So they should not feel that you are from outside, you are from inside. They should always feel like this. Always be a friend to them, guide to them. Have clarity. Clarity is very important. If we don't have clarity, please try to get that by talking to even a clerk. Try to understand before you decide, because your decision is very important. Sometimes we just say, यार कर दो इसको, ऐसे कर दो, जैसे इमोशनल होके वो काम नहीं चलता है. आपको उसको समझ के एक बार डिसीजन लिया, उस पर स्टैंड करिए, डोंट गो बैक. नोबडी शुड फील दैट ये आदमी तो यार ऐसे कहता है, बाद में मरेंगे तो हम मरेंगे. आज बैंक में दो प्रॉब्लम है ना. एक प्रॉब्लम है डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन की, दूसरी प्रॉब्लम है पेंडेंसी की, जो मुझे आने से पहले भी बताया और यहाँ भी मैं वही देख रहा हूँ. पेंडेंसी क्यों होती है? क्योंकि वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेक डिसीजन. व्हाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू डिसीजन? बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव क्लैरिटी. दैट इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम. If we are clear, I tell you, banking is not a big thing to learn. It's just common sense. And again, I quote from my life. I was MA in English, not knowing banking, never opened an account, never tried to know what is meaning of bank or credit, and put to credit on the first day. Not have read accountancy. So, the one example is before you. So, and then was considered as expert in credit. कि जो बंसर ने बोल दिया ऊपर तक वही होगा. हाँ बोल दिया तो हाँ, ना बोल दिया तो ना. It's a matter of common sense, clarity, I tell you. And I must share with you, so far I have not read manual of instruction on credit also, not to talk of other things. And I feel whatever we decide, the manual is accordingly there. There may be some technical points when we refer to the clauses and all those things. There may be some technical points. But what I want to tell you, that is not a big grantha, it's a common sense. But common sense is not that common. So we have to develop common sense by learning, by trying to become clearer. Whatever we don't know, try to understand that. Please don't hesitate, don't feel that you are chief manager, clerk se kyon puchunga. I never hesitate. You please don't hesitate in getting clear. If you are clear, your decision will be always correct, I can assure you. And don't get afraid. Now coming to the real problems in our bank, you have seen our September results. So horrible results, I will call you. All of us, we must get up now and see how best we can do for the bank. We have grown in the bank. Nobody I find is new to PNB. All of us, we are real PNB. And I say all of us because I have also made myself as PNB. And I feel that I am here for 31 years instead of 5 months. Once we have oneness by our heart and soul, then things become easier. Therefore, I can talk and feel like that when I decide that I am in PNB for last 31 years. So, first is asset quality. And asset quality is the thing where we have, come out with 4.66 NPA. It's a real, cause of concern. And all of us, all of you particularly, who are in branches, they know how much are irregular accounts still there and how much further NPA scope is there. So our first and foremost task is to, regularize all irregular accounts, and at the same time, wherever we sanction proposal, please see the asset quality. And for asset quality, I always say very simple thumb rule. Please see whether by giving to this borrower, bank money is safe or not. In my life, my test has been this. Other things are secondary, and that you can understand if you talk to the promoter for 5 minutes. This is my challenge. Even bigger or smaller borrower, if you really have common sense, and if you talk to the borrower for 5 minutes, you can understand whether this advance will go bad or not. I tell you 4 or 5 things for the sake of just repetition or maybe not that relevant to this program, but ultimately they are relevant. What do you see in the borrower? One, that person, whether whatever he wants to do, whether he is already having experience, he is doing the same type of product, same type of business or not. हर एक आदमी को क्या लगता है, हमें भी लगता है मूंगफली बेचने वाला ज्यादा कमा रहा है. अरे बैंक की सर्विस में क्या है, ये घर के सामने खड़ा होकर इतने कमाता है. Now there was a craze for power. Everybody wanted to go for power. Everybody put power plants. So they were not knowing the meaning of power. Some of the customers, like I won't name now because they are recording. They came to me in IFCL for some power project. I just asked, I'm very blunt many times. I said, please tell me whether you know the meaning of power or spelling of power. And today that group is having difficulty in power. And I did not consider their proposal in IFCL. I mean, first you see whether he is having a business, he is going forward, backward, sideways, related to that, if he is having some knowledge. You can leave aside some of the big group like L&T or Tata who are professionally managed, they have all the expertise to manage even unrelated businesses. But otherwise, all other promoters, whether big or small, they must have, according to me, some experience of that trade. This is my experience I am sharing with you. Then secondly, whether they are delivering the business as per their capacity. Suppose I have 100 rupees, I may go for a business of 500 rupees, even 1000 rupees, even 10,000 rupees, but not for 1 lakh. There is a limit, you call it debt equity ratio or whatever you call it. There must be some leverage, limit. You can be, suppose 3 or 4 times or 5 times. You cannot be 100 times. Now what the promoters do in their expectation of raising equity or like bringing some equity pardon, they will go for a very, very big project. And in between they face the problem, from where to bring the money. That is the second thing. Third thing is that what are the rules and regulations relating to that business in India, and whether he is having all the permissions, because sometimes we give 3 months, 4 months, 5 months to get those permissions and we start giving money. And then there is delay in getting the required permissions. We are caught. Neither we can get out, nor we are able to give further, and then the account becomes NPA. Fourth is, whenever you consider term loan, please consider working capital simultaneously. I find in our bank, we just sanction the term loan. Working capital, sir, ये तो बाद में कर लेंगे. अभी क्या है, 3 साल तो प्रोजेक्ट को बनने में लगेगा. अभी पावर में आज कोई पैसा नहीं दे रहा ना. अब हमने 3 साल पहले पावर प्रोजेक्ट का टर्म लोन किया. आज इसको वर्किंग कैपिटल का जरूरत है. All banks have saturated their limit for power, and they have issue in power. Now nobody wants to give a working capital for power. Where the promoter will go? You must sanction at as a composite term loan and working capital at that very time, whether he will require after 3 years or 4 years. So now our exposure is low. We have perforce all the banks who have sanctioned, they have to give that loan. You understand my point? So please consider as a composite proposal, please see that he has all the statutory and otherwise permissions and licenses, whatever required for that business or project in hand. Don't see that sometimes I was told somewhere I went in the previous bank, then they said, sir, ये मार्बल का बिजनेस है, यहाँ पर पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल का नहीं मिलता है, आई थिंक किशनगंज, भाई नहीं मिलता है तो पता है सब चलता है सर 2 नंबर में। अरे भाई 2 नंबर में कब तक चलाओगे? हम बैंक का पैसा तो 2 नंबर का नहीं है ना। बैंक मनी इज नंबर 1 मनी। हाउ कैन वी गिव नंबर 1 मनी फॉर नंबर 2 बिजनेस? So we can't give this. This is the basic requirement. Pollution control certificate is the basic requirement. If it is not there, we should not give finance. And then, coupled with this, we should adhere to the guidelines of the bank. We should not take law in our hands. Many times I find branch manager is giving the limit, circle head is giving the limit. Sir, दे दिया sir, अच्छा borrower था, confirmation के लिए आ गया. Why? I always tell you, send on fax, you send on email, take my sign, then allow. Why should I give you oral permission? Why should you take oral permission? Tomorrow my mind changes and I don't confirm your action, you are caught. Please, for heaven's sake, please after your boss. Sir, मेरे को अभी permission चाहिए, ये दे दो. Don't take whatever in your power, only then you should do. यार, we are all नौकर, servant है ना, मालिक तो नहीं है ना. मालिक की तरह से काम करना है, but after all we are doing service, we are accountable, some powers are given. आज मेरे पास 100 करोड़ रुपए नहीं है, मेरे को 100 करोड़ के पावर दे दिया बैंक ने, तो there are some rules and regulations which I should follow. You understand me? How can I give 100 crore कि ठीक है जैसे मेरे बाप का पैसा है? How can I give that? You tell me. There are rules and regulations we must adhere to. Then I tell you this disciplinary phobia will go away. Sometimes we just get, swayed by the presence of the promoter. अरे बहुत अच्छा promoter है, 2 बार हमें नमस्ते करता है, चाय भी पिलाता है. I tell you this should not be criteria for allowing limits. You have friendship, no problem. But when it comes to taking decision, please decide on merits objectively. I don't want to quote many examples on this. I have many examples. The persons were my best friend. Even then, I had the courage to say no to them. That courage you must have. Say no politely. Sir, ये हो नहीं सकता है. And they will remain your friend. I can, guarantee. I have many friends. Within 10-15 years, I said no in spite of pressure from up and side and all those things. And still they are my friends. In their heart and heart they know why I am saying no. If your decision is objective, genuine decision, they know that what you are telling is correct. And then the last thing on credit I talk, don't keep pendency. Pendency breeds suspicion and corruption and bad name for the bank. I have started this at head office level, at least the GM credit who is with me. There was pendency of 6 months and more, and now we have brought it down to 1.5 months, and I propose that we should reduce it to 10 days. Same thing you should do at your level. Don't keep anything pending beyond 7 to 10 days. Decide with clarity what to do, not to do. But pendency is very dangerous thing. The project of the promoter is jeopardized. On the other hand, people start castigating on you why you are keeping pending and all those things happen. This is the first thing, credit quality. Please, for heaven's sakes, our NPA are increasing. Please take care. Second thing is retail credit. Today the downturn is there in economy. So we have to concentrate on the sectors where the risk is lesser. So we get better yield and the less riskier portfolio in retail credit. The thrust is today. So please, it is very much available in almost all the areas and all the branches. Please concentrate on credit by way of retail credit, because housing loan scheme is very good. Now car loan also, be careful while giving car and housing. One thing I want to tell you, that no